Hi there, welcome. Today's recipe is Beef Dopiaza. Okay? First thing, what we are going to do, I'm going to turn the kettle on to do some beef stock. I will let you know later on what we will use the beef stock for. Then, what we are going to do, I've got a big pot in here. We're going to turn that on and I'm going to add some oil in there. So we will cook the beef in there. We can throw the beef in there. As for beef, I'm using the chuck of the beef in there, which is the piece after the head. Then, what we're going to do, I have peeled 3 onions in here. So, one of them we're going to finely chop it, and we will add that to the beef. The other 2, what we're going to do, we're going to cut them into rings, and I'll tell you later how we are going to use the other 2 onions. So that's 1 onion. We're going to put that straight away with the beef, and I'm going to cut this onion rings like that, okay? And I'm going to leave that on the side for the time being, okay? Then, what we're going to do, I have some peeled garlic and ginger as well. So that's the onion rings in there. Now, I have peeled some ginger and some garlic as well. I'm going to pick up 4 or 5, that's fine. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to finely chop the garlic and the ginger together. I'm going to chop this. I'm going to do my best to chop this really fine. Then I'm going to add this with the curry powder to the beef. I'm going to chop this finely like that, okay? As you can see, the kettle is done. I'm going to turn that off, and I'm going to pour in some water in there, which I've got already some vegetable cube in there. No, beef cube, sorry. I've got a beef cube in here. and this one we will use it for later on. So now what we're going to do, I'm going to drop in the ginger and the garlic there, and as well the curry powder as well. We're going to give it a good mix, and we're going to cook this for about 4 to 5 minutes. Beautiful. So then remove it from the heat. I'm going to add the yogurt, some lemon juice, and we'll let that simmer for about 1.5 hours. And that is where the beef stock comes in. If it's dry, we see there's no water, we can add the beef stock in there slowly. So now, what we're going to do, I've got a lemon in here. I'm going to peel a little bit the skin to do some zest of lemon for later on when we come to serve the beef. And the rest of the lemon, I'm going to get the juice out of that. So then I'm going to mix the yogurt and the lemon juice with the beef. So that is the lemon, and I'm going to take the juice of the lemon. Beef Dopiaza is a dish coming from India. And then, mention India, we're going to do some rice with it. I'm going to show you how we're going to do a little bit rice with some spices in it. So that's the lemon juice. So now, what we're going to do, look at that, beautiful. So now, I'm going to turn off the heat for now, remove it from the heat, and I am going to add the yogurt, and some lemon juice as well. Then we're going to put it back on the heat, and we'll let that simmer for about 1.5 hours. So there's the yogurt and the lemon juice as well. I'm going to give it a mix in there. I'm going to remove the kettle, we don't need it. And I'm going to turn this on a low heat. Bring it to the boil and then a low heat. Okay, cover it. beautiful. And gonna cover it, reduce the heat. I'm gonna let that simmer for about 1.5 hours. Now, what we're gonna do, so, okay, I've got 2 frying pans in here. I'm going to turn that on. Oops, not this one, sorry. This one. And the other one as well. So one I'm going to cook the onions and the other one the spices. So here as well, as you can see, I've got some rice which I washed, and I washed really well, and I doubled the amount of water as well. Okay, that's the rice. Now in here, what I'm going to do, I'm going to add a little bit oil, and as well a little bit oil there. So here I'm gonna fry in these spices. I'm using cinnamon sticks, some cardamoms, some cloves as well, and I'm gonna give them fry in there for a couple of seconds in there to release all the flavors. For the ingredients and the method, do look below this video. You can find the measurements and all the ingredients. Otherwise, you can log on to our website, robbenjays.com. Yes, here I'm going to add the onions now. Not all of them, because I'm going to keep a little bit for garnish. Okay, so these onions, we're going to add them at the end of the cooking with the beef. Okay, now the spices are releasing all the aroma. We're going to add that to the rice, and we turn the rice on. So yes, I was telling you, on our website, robbenjays.com, you can find all other recipes plus these recipes, from meat, fish, pastries as well. They are all step by step, and they are all easy to follow, as you can see. So this one I'm going to turn it off now. It should be enough, and we're going to add that to the rice. And we're going to turn the rice on. Bring it to the boil, and then I'm going to let it simmer covered for 20 minutes. Then I put it on a baking dish, and I leave it there until the time that comes to serve this beautiful beef dopiaza. Yes, and please as well, do like us and do share our work, so we encourage more families to come and cook in the kitchen. Thank you for that. So now, couple of seconds more for this onion, and we're gonna leave that on the side as well. Okay, in the meantime, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna prepare the zest. I'm gonna cover this rice and prepare the zest as thinly as possible. This is to use it for garnish when we come to serve this dish. Okay? And then, when we come back, we just finish the beef and we can serve that with the rice, garnish with some onions and the lemons as well. So now, after 1 hour and a half, what we're gonna do, so I'm gonna put one portion of rice in here to heat it up, to serve it, okay? I'm gonna add a little bit of water, it's enough. I'm gonna add a tiny bit of water, turn it on, and cover it. That one is to heat the rice. Then I've got the onions that we fried earlier, and I'm gonna add that to our beef. So basically as well, I did not use the stock because as you can see, it is still, there is still juice in it. Okay, so that is the onion. Now we just need to serve. So I'm gonna turn that beef off now, all right, and I'm gonna serve this beautiful beef dopiaza. So the rice should be hot by now. It doesn't take much time. In fact, I'm going to put it on the high heat in here, on this one, which will take a couple of seconds to heat up. Okay? And I'm going to serve the beef. So, I'm going to pick up some beautiful beef in there. Look at that. And the rice should be ready by now. I can turn that off. Should be ready. You see? And we will serve the rice with that beef. Look at that. Now we're going to garnish with some onions if you like, and of course the lemons that we did earlier on our preparation. Here you go. Beef Dopiaza. For more video recipes, please click the bottom right hand corner to subscribe to our YouTube channel to receive more recipe ideas. And thank you very much for watching and have a good day. Bye now. Bye bye.